unfortunately, it's never a dull moment. And that's why we have such an intense 5.
Number 5.
The awful fire at the apartment complex in London. So far, 17 people confirmed dead. Boy, the UK not doing so hot at all. So sad. One disaster after another. Jeez.
Number 4.
Bolt has a virtual character in Pro Evolution Soccer video game. That's bad. Enough game heads in Jamaica. Go pre-order now.
Yeah. Up.
Number 3.
Karuji says she now has peace of mind since the judge granted her a 5-year restraining order against Chris Brown. Oh, she's so annoying.
Well, since him not in her life anymore.
Now go see if
Yeah,
she's still got a
exactly,
name.
exactly.
If people still gonna talk about her.
Exactly.
Number 2.
Charlie Black took over the Wendy Williams show. Then he and Conscience mashed up the Hot 97 Summer Jam in front of 80,000 people.
Shell, it was so good.
80,000.
Yeah, man. And you want to see them a rock and them a groove and them a sing. Mad. And finally holding the
Number 1.
spot this week. I'm so tired of saying this, but the crime situation in Jamaica has got to stop. Over 60 people killed in 12 days. Why? Something has to be done. Oh boy. That's it for the Intense 5 this week. We have brand new vlogs on our Facebook page and at televisionjamaica.com.
And of course, we're on the gram at TVJ Intense.